Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys on what's new in the mini update. So the first one is to the right. As you can see, the hot dog costume is back. It is next to the cupcake costume. It is still right there. As you can see, the Halloween stuff is no longer in the middle. They've moved it around here. You can find it in this area. In this area too, as well as in this area here, and here as well. They've moved some stuff here. They also reworked the wings for the non-VIP users, and there's two toggles. There's default and tiny, and I think you can add patterns to it. Yeah, you can. It's pretty cute. You could change the color too. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, anyways. Next, they also added like new makeup, but just a little bit. They added new eyes, new brows, new contour. These two are new, I think. Or it's just this one. Then that's it for the makeup. Let's just use this one first because it'd be weird without it, okay? And also they moved some stuff in the VIP room. They moved everything around. Here's some of them are still here. The pirate's hat is still here. The cape, they moved it there. And they also moved, they moved. Why do I keep saying move? They moved the broom here, and some items over here. And they moved the cat tail to another place, which is here. And I think that is it for the mini update. They're gonna come out with the Christmas update a little bit later on. On the update, I think you'll be able to like go ice skating, and you'll have like this emote, this pose where you can like blow snowflakes, which I think is pretty cool. And you'll be able to ice skate in this like area, I think, soon, which I can't wait. And as you can see, look, there's like snow. It's beginning to snow. It's beginning to stand hello. Like Christmas, like look, oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.